तो भाई पहली बार करने जा रहे हो, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टाइम. Now in this video I'll tell you कि which are the things you should keep in mind before you go through your first experience. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Preetham. Now if you're going to go through your first experience, तो ये चीज़ें जो है these are going to help a complete beginner to make sure that जो तुम्हारा first experience है it's the one which you remember for ages. Now the first thing is consent. Now before ये सब चीज़ें हम करने से पहले I want you to have the consensual thing कि आगे वाला भी wants that thing. I don't want you to go ahead and force that thing on the other person, right? So make sure there is consent and you both agree on that thing. ठीक है? Now, so that out of the way, the first thing which you should focus on is if you're going to experience something for the first time, you will be too much in your head. Okay? And don't expect कि porn like सब करके आ जाएंगे भाई हम लोग फोड़ देंगे. Things are not going to work out that way. Chill. तो पहली चीज़ make sure कि you don't have too much भाई कैसे करते हैं. Just calm down. Make sure these are the things which you carry with yourself. पहली चीज़ is you should have a water bottle. Yes, protection पे आएंगे, but first thing is water bottle. Keep an water bottle. Keep a V-wash with you. Okay, if you do some oral stuff, make sure you have V-wash with you. Second, third thing, you need to have protection, of course. ठीक है? Now, if and obviously the towels and all and hygiene, maintain hygiene man, because ये क्या the first time when someone is doing ये चीज़ें दिमाग में नहीं आती है hygiene वाला scene, because your body and her body ये these are coming together for the first time. Make sure you maintain the complete perfect hygiene. Have Dettol's, make sure you have chewing gums, वो सारी basic चीज़ें, V-wash, protections, Dettol, water, towels, where you're going to change clothes, those kind of things. Make sure you have those things in your bag. ठीक है? As a guy, this is your job to keep things in mind because she's just going to come. She's not going to bring all these things with her, right? As a guy, you are supposed to make sure that her first experience and तुम्हारा first experience is going to go well. ठीक है? Now, this hygiene वाला thing is out of the way. Now, like I said, if you're going to go through it for the first time, you will be too much in your head. So भाई, chill, calm down. भाई मेरे को इतना नहीं. Just don't have any expectation. The only expectation you should have is make sure she is going to have the time of her life by making her feel comfortable, by showing your love and affection, ठीक है, towards her. Now, once you start doing, obviously, the first time you're not going to last like 2-3 hours, ठीक है? So it's highly क्या बोलते हैं predictable कि you might last less than a minute. So the first time which I had did was I lasted like 6 seconds. I'm not even going to kid you. 6 seconds was the most I lasted, and now it's more like between an hour to 1.5 hours. I'll tell you how to go through those processes where you evolve and you just can go for like hours and hours together. So keep most of your focus on kissing and you know all those kind of things. So 20-25 minutes, just focus on those kind of things where you're making comfortable. You give her gentle massages and you know go for those kind of things. उसके बाद once you get into the action, remember the temperature inside is very hot. It changes. हमारा बाहर रहता है, उनका अंदर रहता है. So body temperature will be hotter. It's highly likely that the moment you put in, you are going to feel those sensations कि oh my god I just want to come out. ठीक है? वो होगा. Second thing, if she is a virgin, वो वैसे भी नहीं जाएगा. So make sure कि you are erect and you have already done like at least 7 to 14 days of semen retention. And then because you will be hard at that time. Because if you have to break the hymen, it takes some effort. पहली बार में ही इतना easily नहीं होता वो. I do remember the first virgin experience which I had. I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to go through that experience all over again. It's because first of all, तुमको खुद को पता नहीं रहता what you're doing because you're not experienced anyway. Even she's young, even you are young, and you're like, what am I supposed to do? वो नहीं जा रहा. Porn में तो ऐसे दिखाता है, ऐसा नहीं होता. So make sure you take your time, and if the girl is virgin and you're doing it for the first time, it might not happen. Chill. Make sure you hug her, kiss her, have a nice time. Talk. ठीक है? Now, the moment you penetrate and start doing things, you might get kind of turned off. If you're not turned off, like you might get dizzy because of the blood and stuff. Totally normal. Happens. That's why always have protections with you. You don't want the bodily fluids on your junk, right? So, to keep these kind of things in mind, कि hygiene you need to first of all have fucking hygiene on point. Second thing, consent. Third thing, make sure you make her feel loved, because the moment a girl is completely naked in front of you, that's where she is the most vulnerable. ऐसा नहीं कि the moment you penetrate and you come and you're like, okay, चलो चलते हैं अभी. No, she wants to feel that love in that moment. You need to give her the affection as a man. I think I've covered more or less everything, and just the final thing, man, have fun. Have fun. एक ही बार फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, एंड इट्स टोटली नॉर्मल. गो, हैव फन, मेक श्योर कि यू आर in that moment and you are not too much in your head. Okay, be in that moment and she is going to feel that energy. So make sure you apply all these things, and best luck for your first time. And yeah, again, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also there should be a link down in the description for our school community. Please do join in. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham, and I will see you in the next one.